How to get WhatsApp Meta AI. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial, we're showing you how to get the new Meta AI feature in WhatsApp. Meta AI is a powerful AI tool from Meta that can answer your questions, generate creative text formats, and even create images based on your descriptions. You can access it directly within Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and even Messenger. So to start chatting with Meta AI on WhatsApp and unlock its features, first, make sure you're using the latest version of WhatsApp. So once you are sure of that, open your WhatsApp app. Meta AI can be used in individual chats or group chats. If you want to use it in a group chat, navigate to your preferred group. Type followed by Meta AI in the chat window. This should trigger the option to interact with the Meta AI. If you see the Meta AI option, you can now send prompts and use the AI features depending on what's available. If you don't see the Meta AI option, don't worry, just wait a bit. WhatsApp is progressively releasing the update. Remember, having the latest updates is key to accessing this feature. Go to your Play Store or App Store. Search for WhatsApp. If an update is available, tap Update. Once you are sure you have the latest version, open the WhatsApp app and select any chat. Type @Meta AI and send prompts and use the AI features. If you're not seeing this option, don't worry. Meta AI is still in the testing phase and is gradually being introduced to different regions. It's important to note that this feature is relatively new, and WhatsApp was fine-tuning it before making it widely available. Currently, it's mainly accessible in key countries like the United States, Canada, Australia, and a few others. But don't fret. If you're not in one of these regions, chances are it'll reach you soon. And this is how to get Meta AI in WhatsApp. I hope this short video tutorial helps you. If you have any questions about Meta AI, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. It really helps me out. Thanks for watching my video.